To the pool.
Hi guys, Hannah here. So in today's video I am going to try and make two little birds on a branch. I am going to use watercolor and a little bit of gouache just in the end to give it like a light effect, like the light is coming from above and you can see the sunshine, the rays of sunshine. I was doing these birds and the last video was also about it, and I think I have two more videos of birds, because not only because I love to draw birds, but also because I'm trying to make a painting to offer, not me directly, but my father asked me to make a painting to offer a lady, a secretary of his doctor when he had cancer a few years back. So he wants to thank them, the doctor and the secretary, and so he asked me if I could paint something, because he didn't want to buy a thing from a store, because he doesn't know them personally, so he doesn't quite know what to get. And he thought he'd commission me to paintings, and so for the lady it would be like a flower or bird, something sweeter, and for the doctor would be a Portuguese writer and maybe his house, or then we went for a horse. And so it's still on the making, and this is to explain why I have made so many portraits or paintings of birds. I am just trying to figure out one to give. So yeah, this wasn't it, but it's a cool page on my sketchbook and I enjoyed it, and I hadn't painted with watercolors for so long that this was really cool. It brought me back that joy of painting with watercolors. Really cool. I am using this set, this winsor&newton set. It has like 72 colors or something. It's awesome. I like its quality for a pen watercolor. So you don't have to buy this huge set. I think there's a smaller set if you're a beginner and trying to start with watercolor. This is a very good set because it's approachable price wise, but it has quality. It's not the best quality ever, but they are very good. I like them a lot. So the gouache I used, I think it was the white winsor&newton gouache that I bought specifically, but you can use Arteza or whatever gouache you have to make that light effect in the end. So this sketchbook is Arteza. It's I will leave the links to the materials in the description. So I hope you like this video. I'm gonna leave you with some music, and if you have any questions about what I did, please feel free to ask me through on the description, or not on the description. You feel free to ask me on the comments below, or email me, or even send me a letter, because I have a PO box. It's in the end of the video if you want to check it out, and I always leave it in the description. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like it and if you got some value out of this, please give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to be notified for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.